In this video, we'll recommend you the best budget gaming PC to buy in 2022. We included the pros and cons of each product, so you can decide before buying the best one. Coming in number 5 of Best Budget Gaming PC 2022 is Dell G5. Dell offers some great super budget configurations. A unique chassis coupled with a price to beat, Dell's latest in its G-series gaming PCs is a solid contender as among the best budget gaming PCs out there. The Dell G5 boasts 9th generation Intel chips as well as Nvidia's most powerful gaming GTX and RTX graphics cards, but the base model ships with an i3 processor and the Nvidia GTX 1650 to handle many of the latest PC games without burning a hole in your pocket. Of course, if you've got a little more cash to spare, its VR-ready configurations are also on hand, though even those are absolutely affordable. The Dell G5 is also one of the only budget gaming PCs on this list to feature a windowed side panel if you like to show off the internal components of your PC. The straightforward case design makes opening up this gaming rig to upgrade your parts a breeze, too. At number 4. HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop. The best for both work and play. Trimming that gamer aesthetic look to the barest minimum, the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop fits just at home in any office environment as it does in someone's game room thanks to its compact chassis and refined LED lighting along the base. So, if you're looking for a machine on which you can both play and work, this is just the ticket, taking out two birds with one stone and giving you even more savings. It isn't going to be an ultra-kit-out machine, obviously, although if you shell out a little more for the higher configurations, you can score one with an RTX 3060 that will offer some more graphical oomph for playing the latest games. At number 3. MSI Trident 310. The best compact gaming PC. If looking good matters to you as much as power, then you might love the MSI Trident 310, especially if you're partial to a gaming-leaning aesthetic. The angular tower is roughly the same size as a home console, meaning that it won't take up too much room on your desk and could even slot into a TV stand if you'd prefer to use a controller for some couch gaming instead. It comes with an included removable base if you'd rather mount it upright, too. It's not all looks either. This small gaming PC touts plenty of power under the hood for less than its rivals, with 10th generation Intel Core processors and the best Nvidia RTX and GTX graphics. At number 2. HP Omen 25L. The best budget gaming PC for AMD fans. The Omen 25L's rectangular black metal design isn't going to turn heads anytime soon. That's at least offset by its glass panel, but only barely. However, if you're not too concerned about looks, this is among the best budget gaming PCs to hit the shelves in 2022 that won't make a sizable dent in your bank account.
With a number of AMD configurations on hand, it's perfect for gamers who prefer Team Red.
But those that are loyal to NVIDIA's RTX line can partake as well, as you can configure it to have up to an RTX 2070 Super GPU. At number 1 of the top 5 best budget gaming PC 2022 is Acer Predator Orion 3000. The very best budget gaming PC. The Acer Predator Orion 3000 comes in a wide range of configurations, the most powerful of which will be out of most budget gamers' price range. However, the base configuration is much more accessible at below $1,000, and comes with a GTX 1660 graphics card and Intel Core i5 processor, backed up by 16GB of RAM. These components should provide more than enough graphical oomph for gaming at 1080p, even in a post-RTX 3000 world, without needing to compromise too much in the graphical settings menu. Despite being a powerful gaming PC with good potential for piecemeal upgrades further down the line, the Predator Orion 3000's chassis isn't oversized like some gaming rigs. It's been thoughtfully designed to fit beside a monitor or beneath a desk, and the vented front and side panels mean that thermal performance is excellent. Thank you for watching the top 5 best budget gaming PC 2022, and we hope you enjoyed our gaming PC buying guide. If you have decided to buy the best one, please look at the description below to get further product information.